guys, मैं अथर्व. You all are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Atharv's Hobbies. So today in this video, we will do 3 worksheets for LKG class. First, fun activity with counting. Second is complete the pattern. And third one is take the correct number. So we will start. Before starting, we will see in this we have to color the pictures, plus we have to write 1 to 10 counting. So let's start. First we will read what is the question. Fun activity with counting 1 to 10 and color. Help the boy to go house by 1 to 10 by stairs. Okay, so where is boy? See, boy is here. So we are making some dots for 1 to 10. So we will start the boy from here. So first we will go on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how we will fun? Like this we have to write on dots. Third one, fourth, fifth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now we have filled the counting, but one thing is missing. What is written here? And color. So we have to color also. In trees we have to do green color. This green. Any green pencil color, sketch color for children. In clouds we have to do blue color. In sun you have to do yellow color. Plus in trees branch you have to do brown color. In boy you have to do in hairs black color. In mouth skin color. In shirt any color, and in pen. In this box we have to fill according after writing the color box. In this black, blue, yellow, green, blue, purple, orange, red, green, red and pink. In this the child can learn the concept very easily by coloring plus writing. So next part is complete the pattern. Children like the patterns, so how they will write? This is like this. Children can do it up to here very easily, but now they have to make fun. Sleeping plus standing line. Sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing. Child can do if he knows sleeping and standing line what is. So sleeping line is 1 minute. Sleeping line is this one. Standing in this. Sloping is this. So in this we have to use this line and this line. So how we will write this? 1 and some curved one. We have to do in first man is first pattern these both. If the child knows how to write, so he can do very easily the worksheet which we have making. In pre-nursery class only the child knows the concept to how to write sleeping, standing lines. If he don't knows, so you can see my video I have making for that also. So next pattern is our square box pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, up, down, up, down. So now see 1 standing line, sleeping line, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing. See. Next is like this pattern only, but we have leave 2 boxes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So how we will do? Standing, sleeping, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, sleeping, slanting, sleeping, slanting, sleeping, slanting, sleeping, slanting, sleeping. Okay. In next we have to make like this pattern. In this we have do this upper side. In this we have to go downwards. So
like a little
slanting, sleeping, sleeping, slanting, sleeping, slanting, sleeping, slanting, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing. If we will give like this worksheets to children, he and she can learn the concept very easily and they will enjoy also the worksheets. So our fifth pattern is flower pattern. In this we have to make one like this circle, oval circle. In this also oval circle, oval circle, over circle, up over circle, up over circle, down circle, oval. अब हमें अप की तरफ बनाना है ओवल सर्कल, एक अब डाउन की तरफ ओवल सर्कल बनाना है, अप की तरफ ओवल सर्कल बनाना है, डाउन की तरफ ओवल सर्कल बनाना है, अप की तरफ ओवल सर्कल बनाना है, डाउन की तरफ बनाना है. अब ये थोड़े से माइंड के क्वेश्चंस आ गए हैं बच्चों के लिए. इसमें बताया गया कि 1 2 3 4 5. अब क्या आता है डैश 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 डैश. तो एक वीडियो में ऐसे बनाऊंगा 1 to 10 1 to 20 कैसे लिखते हैं बच्चों के लिए, तो आप उसमें से देख के करवा सकते हैं. वैसे 1 आता है, 2 आता है, 3 4 5 के बाद क्या आता है 6 7 8 9 10. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पर बच्चे को खुद लिखने में दिक्कत होगी तो ऐसे हम डॉट बना देंगे 6 7 8 9. अब ये देखो कैसे बनाएंगे 6 ऐसे कर्व और एक सी. इसमें एक 7 कैसे बनाएंगे, एक स्लीपिंग लाइन स्टैंडिंग लाइन. 8 कैसे बनाएंगे 3 एंड अगेन 3. नेक्स्ट 9 कैसे बनाएंगे स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड सी. Next pattern is our 1 dash 3 dash 5 dash 7 dash 9 dash. Okay, so simple है. कैसे करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. तो हम 1 पे पहले कर लेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ये वाले माइंड शार्प करने के लिए क्वेश्चंस होते हैं बच्चों के लिए. तो नेक्स्ट है हमारा 8th क्वेश्चन. वो है सर्कल. वो पैटर्न है दूसरे तरीके का. इसका नेम तो मेरे को नहीं पता बेसिकली, पर इसमें हमें क्या करना है एक सर्कल ओवल वो बनाना है सी हमें नीचे की तरफ के लिए. ये देखिए कैसे ऐसे. इससे बच्चों की कर्व की प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी. तो ये वर्कशीट थी हमारी ये वाली, तो हमने कर ली. तो नेक्स्ट वर्कशीट है टिक द करेक्ट नंबर. थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट सा लग रहा है करने में देख के तो, पर हम करेंगे. चलो कैसे करना है अब वो देखते हैं. हाउ वी विल डू, सी द नंबर्स व्हाट आर देयर 5 6 and 7. आफ्टर 7 व्हाट कम्स, इफ एनीबडी नोस टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आफ्टर 7 8 comes because 5 6 7 8. So we will tick on 8. You don't know, we will write here 5 6 7 and 8. So we will tick here 8 like this. We have to do in this, we have to do like this only in this. First we will do second question, that is 10 11 12 13. After 12 13 comes, we will write here 10 11 12 13. The children has to write here 10, 11, 12, 13. After 12, what comes? 13. Next, 1, 2, 3. After 3 comes 4. So we will take here 4 and we will write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next is, in this we have making 3 columns. So child can learn the concept very difficulty and hardly. This is not very difficulty exercise for children. If they knows the counting up to 20 or 30, so they can do it easily. Up to LKG class, the child has to write 30 up to 30 very easily. If he can write up to 30, that's very good. So next is 15, 16, 17 and 18. After 17, 18 comes. After 18, 19 comes. After 19, 20 comes. So how we will write? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. इसमें हमने तीनों पे टिक कर दिया. पहला टिक तो है हमारा फर्स्ट का 18, सेकंड का है 19, थर्ड का है 20. सो बाय किड्स. अगर आज की वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ 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 लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना ना भूलें. और आपके लिए नई वीडियोस के लिए आपको बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बाय बाय.